Hi everyone, happy Diwali. And today, after so many months, I'm coming with a new video. So, from next week onwards, I will be uploading each and every week a video. So, related to data science and all that. So, coming to today's topic, what we are going to build is a weather app where you can search for a particular state along with the city, and you will get the weather information like humidity, temperature here, what it's going on, and what is the description for that. Like here it's Bankuda, it's cloudy and it's of 25 degrees Celsius and humidity is of 60%. So each of it is okay. So coming to this, a simple project which you can build for your final year project, and let's start. Okay, coming to this weather app. So what we are going to do is simple, very simple. Let me go to the Google Colab and show you something. Like there is a website where I have gone, OpenWeather, OpenWeather. From here we will get the API. Okay. So from here we will get the API along with the API key, and we will make the request using Python. Okay. And we will get the result in JSON format. Okay. And after that we will beautify the JSON, sorry, beautify the JSON format. After that, we will turn into a Streamlit application. And at last, we will deploy the application. Okay. So this is our motto. And for that, first we will go a testing phase. Then we will drive to into a main application. Okay. So first, this is a testing phase. Okay. Coming to this testing phase, what we are going to do is first we'll take that URL from where we will just test it out, and we will take the result, and afterward we'll convert it to a Streamlit application. Okay. So let's first import the request where we can request all the things. Okay. And also we can use import JSON. It's done. Next, we are going to get that city. First state, let's take the state as West Bengal and city as Calcutta. Next, we will take that URL along with the API key. First, take the API key. API key. Where you will get that API? When you will create a account in OpenWeather, go to your profile, and there you will get a my API keys. Okay. From here you can get each and everything. So I'm just copying my default. So this is the API key. This is the API key. And let's take the URL. So where you will get that URL, go to that, I think, docs page. Where is the docs page? Wait, API docs. So here you get a API doc. Okay. Now here you will been confused with the latest version. In the latest version, you have to pass the longitude and latitude as well as the excluding part. But as of now, what we are going to do and take the old API. So old API looks like here the version is 3.0 and the old API will be 2.5. Okay. So let's take this OpenAI and let's change this to 2.5. In 2.5, there is no option to call one call. Okay. So rather than one call, there is another thing, weather, simple weather. And here you can pass the Q for city and comma for state. Okay. And let me remove this part, API key. So let me take this API key name, variable name. We are good to go. And fstring. Okay. So this is the procedure to create your link. Okay. So let's find, and afterwards let's get a request. So response request dot get URL. Okay. So it will directly hit to the URL and get a response. Let's check it, like response is coming or not. So a response, like response dot status code is 200, then it will dump. Okay. What we can do first, let me check it's hitting or not. So for that, print URL is hitting. Okay. Let's check. Okay. So there is a error occurred. So it is not hitting to the perfect URL. What's the issue is coming? I think there is a issue. The this is the issue. Yeah, it's totally app ID dog weather queue. I think it's good to go. Let's hit it once again. No, it's still error is occurring. So let me check API data. Okay. The spelling of the weather is wrong. I'm very sorry for that. URL is hitting. Okay. Let's check this one. App ID. Will it work? Yeah, it is working. So let's take the data and intent. Okay. So let's see what's it is coming. So we are getting the coordinate, weather information, base, main, visibility, wind, clouds, DD, systems, and time zone, ID, name, and current. Okay. So first of all, what we can do here, we can just extract the main part, like the description of that weather, temperature. Okay. One thing you can see here, like in the temperature, we are getting 300. So let's change it into units in, sorry, units equals to metric. Yeah, now we are getting the perfect information. So what we are going to do, we are going to print the data for first main. So what we are going to do, uh, current weather condition. So data weather weather. First, let me put the F string weather, and inside that there is another dictionary. So we have to pass the zeroth index, and again with that we have to pass the main. Okay, so let's check current weather. Say yes, it's correct. Okay, next we are going to get the temperature. Current temperature, current temperature, and pass the data, and we have to pass it under main, and there is single dictionary, so main and temperature. Main, okay, main and temperature, degree centigrade. Okay, so I have to get degree centigrade from here. Degree centigrade. Yeah. Let's see. 26.97 degrees centigrade. Yeah, cool. So next, what we are going to get feels like and humidity. So I can directly copy it out. Temperature feels like. So I can take it from here and directly pass it out. And next is humidity. And it is of percentage. Okay, so let's pass it out. Good, it's good. So now I can directly pump it out. Okay, so we are good to go. Now we can directly pass these values to our application. So what we are going to get, create a Python file, py, and before that we have to create a virtual environment. For creating a virtual, simple Python, what's going on? Python minus m VNV virtual environment, VNV virtual environment. Okay, so virtual environment has been created, and let's go to the command prompt. Why it's not coming? Don't know. So let's first create a activate the virtual environment. So VNV slash bin, I think bin, no, scripts and activate. So script, yes, scripts slash and activate. What's the issue? Okay, okay. So virtual environment has been created. Now what we are going to do? So we are going to install a Streamlit application. So before we have to install using a pip instruction command. Okay, so pip stream, it is going to take few seconds. Okay, so let it be installed, and we need to get information for states. So states, yeah, with their cities in India. States with their cities in India. So in JSON format. In JSON, we can directly get that states, and let's paste it into a JSON format. Not here. So data dot JSON. Put it here. Okay. So we got the JSON of all the data. Now what we are going to do is simply um, creating a required file .txt, and we need Streamlit only, nothing else. Okay. So now when you will get these files, just what you are going to do is pip install -r and requirement .txt. And you will get to enter. It is already been installed. So that is why it is showing me it is already been installed. Okay. So now what we are going to do is first importing the requests. Secondly, I need to import the Streamlit as st, and need to also import the JSON. Okay. So this is the thing. So firstly, what we need to do is creating a simple Streamlit application. Okay. So for that, what we're going to do is st.title title weather application, and let's run it. Streamlit run app.py. So it is running in a local server. Okay. So it's running in a local server. Now what we are going to get is uh, hmm, let's create a, or what we can do first, create getting the options. Okay. So getting the options, what we need to do is states, or first what we are going to with open uh, data.json, sorry, r as file load JSON. Okay. So here we can simply do data and data. Okay. And let's print the data in Streamlit. What we can do simply like text or write, anything we can do, and can pass the data, and let's see what's the output. See, we're getting all the things. Okay. And we need to first get this data, and first what we are going to get is states. So states equals to data dot keys, and let's print it, and let's see what the states look like. Okay. So we run it. So we are getting total 33 states. Okay. So what we are going to do is creating a simple options based, what we can do, list based options. Okay. So lt dot mm, select box and label as select the state, and options is states. Okay, let's see. So it is showing. Okay, sorry. Or one more thing we can do, like st dot uh, sub header. We can pass this out as well. And let's see. Select the state. Okay, so it is fine. Similarly, what more we can do is city name equals to, first let me take it as a blank string. Okay, a state name. Need to pass it on. If state name is been given, so we can find it out the city name. Okay, so city equals to data dot state names. Okay, so what we are going to get is, I'm showing you, city name equals to st dot select box label as label as take the label from here. Sorry, as my typing is, hey, as this is a new laptop, so that's why I'm not used to it till now. So there is a big gap between the label. Okay, you sure? Okay, and let me show you what is going to happen. So if Andaman and Nicobar is been selected, then I can directly get this only single option. Similarly, if I am getting the Haryana, so you will get a more options. Similarly, when I am going to get the Tamil Nadu, you will get a more options. So related to Tamil Nadu or Chennai. Yeah, related to Tamil Nadu. If similarly going to Jharkhand, Dhanbad, Ranchi, these all things. Okay. So this is a good thing. Next, put this into a practice. So if city name is been given, then only my this application will work. Okay. So if city name is given and state name is given, so what we are going to do is take this same thing here and let me copy paste it and redefine the UI. So JSON.data. Okay. What we can get data or mm, duplicate result. Okay, because response data. Why it is showing error? Okay, okay, the intention is wrong. Okay, st dot error, it will show error occur. Okay, similarly, error occur. Please check the city name or the state name is correct or not. Okay. Similarly, what we are going to get is t dot write, and you can pass it out. Just copy paste it, paste it, and paste it. Okay. And what we are going to get, change it into a city name and state name. And API is same metric. Okay. So API key is also same. Let me save it. Yeah. And let's into event. See. So we have successfully created this thing. May go to the Kolkata 89.7 thing. Similarly, 26.97 degree, 26.97 degree, 26.49 degree, 27.49 degree, and 78%. So we have successfully created this application. Similarly, let me go to the another. Let me go to Siliguri. Yeah, a bit cold. Let me go to the Kashmir. So Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar. It's all about 12 degree. So it's too cold. Jammu feels like 19 degree. Okay. Uh, okay. So good. What you can do here, you can modify these things. Okay, like putting the icon here, or you can do a sidebar here. So it's totally depends on you. Okay. And one more thing you can do, like if the button is given, you can customize that also. It's totally depend on you what you can do here. Okay. So this is the thing, and let us deploy this same thing here. So deploying this, I'm very much happy to show you Hugging Face. It's one of the best for AI models with weather app. Short description, weather app. It's a Streamlit application and create. Okay, weather application. Create this thing. Okay. For creating a weather application, nothing. You have to go to the files and just add your files here. Upload your files. Um, Pick create C. Can I put directly here? I think no. Mhm. My issues can oh so let's see three things. It has been uploaded. Let's go to the application. It has been started for building that application. It is taking a bit long. So it's done. Like I am showing you again. See, it's giving us a perfect example. So if you give this link to your friend or anyone, so you can directly get this application. Okay. So fine. That's all from my side. So happy to see you again. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and if possible, give comment and all that. And thank you.